sure is.
It looked like she took a deep breath, like
I'm tired of being crunched over in this corner. You got all the room.
And they can hear now. Stop fighting, you two. Stop that mess. I'm gonna come get them legs.
I want my cookie to move it.
How cute. Oh, I can't wait for my mommy to see and my sister-in-law and my brother. My daddy. Yeah, my daddy's gonna be like, look at that.
Girl, you're fighting back, ain't you?
She's like, don't think 'cause I'm stuck. I got this.
One of my legs is kind of stuck up there, but I can tell I got some room right here. I'm moving the other leg. You see?
Oh.
Oh, feisty girl.
It's funny 'cause I can't feel that. But I will. Y'all gonna have to cut that out before you get too big, 'cause that mess is gonna have to stop.
Yeah, then you're gonna really be like, uh-oh.
You'll be like, oh Lord, they're doing it again.
Who's fighting who here? That's too funny.
Wow.
Baby, he still got her arms up in her face. I thought she'd be done moving for a little bit. But she is like, y'all stop trying to take my picture. Look at her. I mean, like, no.
It's not my fault. That's not going to be my model, obviously.
She said, nope.
Badness, you need to stop.